I spent the day immersed in the comforting aroma of freshly baked cookies, hoping the sweet scent would somehow mask the bitter tensions that lingered in our home. Baking had always been my solace, a haven where the whir of the mixer drowned out the cacophony of familial discord. As I mixed ingredients and rolled out cookie dough, my mind danced between the rhythmic motions of baking and the unresolved issues that cast a shadow over our family. The air in the kitchen felt heavy with unspoken words, a stifling atmosphere that begged for resolution. The familial problem, an unspoken rift between loved ones, hung over us like a storm cloud. My attempts to bridge the gap had been met with resistance, the underlying tension simmering beneath the surface. Desperation fueled my determination to find a solution, even if it meant using the simple act of baking cookies as a catalyst. The scent of chocolate chips and vanilla wafted through the kitchen, a temporary distraction from the palpable unease. As the cookies baked to golden perfection, I found myself yearning for the warmth they promised, not just in taste, but in the hope that they could sweeten the bitterness that strained our family bonds. As the first batch emerged from the oven, I arranged them on a plate, each cookie a tiny offering apiece. With a deep breath, I approached the heart of the familial issue, my hands trembling with a mixture of apprehension and determination. I gathered my family in the kitchen, the aroma of freshly baked cookies serving as both an invitation and a peace offering. Tensions hung in the air as we sat around the table, the sweet treats before us acting as silent mediators.